The popularity of micromobility vehicles such as e-scooters and e-bikes, together with the increase in driver distraction, present new safety challenges in the shared urban mobility landscape. iNet's Anytime, Anywhere, and all-around collision detection system utilizes interconnected cellular-based V2X communication to provide comprehensive protection for vulnerable road users and pedestrians. iNet extends the field of view beyond line of sight, identifying probable collisions and sending an alert directly to both parties, a paradigm shift in road safety and complementing commonly used advanced driver assistance systems. iNet offers continuous communication between vehicles and the environment, connecting micromobility riders, infrastructure, and pedestrians for increased safety and road awareness. The sensor-free, software-based solution relies on communication between smartphones and can be seamlessly integrated into any third-party location-based application. iNet uses existing cellular infrastructures and is compatible with 3G, 4G, and 5G networks. The system works 24/7 and under all weather and lighting conditions, day or night, rain or shine. The completely anonymous system protects all road users and their privacy, vehicles and pedestrians. Featuring beyond line-of-sight capabilities, iNet gives a highly accurate road picture capable of foreseeing potential side impact collisions. Each subscriber's mobile device's location is continuously monitored. The location is shared with other iNet subscribers in the vicinity. The iNet application constantly searches for potential collisions. Immediate visual and audio alerts warn of an oncoming collision. iNet incorporates AI-powered algorithms to enhance accuracy, predict collisions, reduce latency, and optimize device resource consumption. iNet, protecting road users anywhere, all the time.